Hey there, how is it going everybody? In this video we're going to learn the life cycle of Ranchimol's content collaboration application and how to use it. It consists of three sections. The first section demonstrates how to generate a flow ID and apply for this internship. The second section demonstrates the use of content collaboration app. The third section shows how a sub-admin can create an article using the content which has been submitted from all the interns and people participating in the app. So let's get started. To use the content collaboration app, each participant needs a Flow ID private key pair. Think of it like the post box at your house. People who want to send postcards will send it to your house's public address. Everyone can know about it. But to access the postcards inside that, you have your own private key. In Ranchimol's applications, your Flow ID is your public identity on which anybody can send data or money. But to access what's inside that Flow ID, that means your data and money, you need your private key. Please note, never lose your private key and store it safely at a secret location. Anyone who gets access to your private key gets hold of all the data and money on it. One of the ways to generate Flow ID and private key pair is to head over to our internship page. I will put the link to this page in the description box below. On the page, you can click here to generate a Flow ID and private key pair. Please note, your private key is the most important piece of data. Your Flow ID is your identity on the blockchain. If anybody gets hold of your private key, he has access to your data and all the money on it basically. So keep it very securely. Right now, for demonstration, I'm storing it over here on Visual Studio Code. And I go back and I log in. Once you log in, you can check out the projects over here. And to apply for a project, click here. You can put your personal details over here, and all of these details will be sent to Ranchimol's cloud. We assure you that all the data will be encrypted and nobody will be able to access it. So I'll fill some details here. You can choose the project blockchain content collaboration over here and apply. The application has been recorded and you can check in the applicant list that your Flow ID has been accepted. So once you have got your Flow ID, how do you use it to collaborate in the content app? You head over to this link, which I'll put in the description box below, and log in with the private key you just created. Over here, you can see there are multiple topics which can be selected. We are currently working on India-China relationship. And under each topic, you will see subtopics, which is India-China diplomatic relations, India-China trade, India-China DTAA. So as an intern who is participating in content collaboration, your job is to research on these subtopics and create original content which can be posted here. To post content under a subtopic, you basically select the page and do paste it here and then submit. You can see the content has been uploaded over here. This data has been sent to a blockchain cloud. That means once data has been written, it can never be erased. So the only way to edit your previous commits is to click on the previous box add new data, and then submit again. This is it. It's pretty simple to use. The whole purpose of Content Collaboration app is to enable collaboration between anonymous people all around the world to write articles. The way somebody can use the different submissions posted by interns or any random people is to select boxes or whatever text they find suitable. Okay, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this. And I'm going to take this. Once I export it as a file, all of the content will be exported as a newspaper. You can see. And all the good articles which will come out of the Content Collaboration app will be uploaded to Ranchi Mall Times, which is our personal newsletter where we upload all these articles. Over here, you can read the India-China article. That's it. Thank you.